into an accident and couldn't come to school. But when he finally came back, his hair had turned from black into bright white. He said that it was from when the car had smashed so hard. Once there was this girl who wouldn't go and change with the girls in the change room, but when they finally made her, they saw birthmarks all over her body. She couldn't quite explain it, they always just been both girl and boy were glad, 'cause one kid had worse than that. There was this boy whose parents made him come directly home right after school, and when they went to their church, they shocked and lurched all over the church floor. He couldn't quite explain